In this video, we aim to give you some examples of an introductory slide for a presentation. This first slide has no special effects. The next three slides have the same photo, text, and ocean background. By changing the order that they are layered in the slide, it changes the effect. These are just a few examples of backgrounds. We have everything from lakes and forests, waterfalls, flowers, sunrise, sunset, beaches, candles, clouds, and a host of special effects for you to choose from. If you have something particular in mind, please let us know.